Let's talk about the top 25 best small business ideas for beginners. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn how to make more money, make sure that you subscribe and click the bell. That way you never miss an upload. This video is organized in 3 sections. First, I'll tell you the 10 best startup ideas. Then I'll share the top 5 business ideas for women. And lastly, I'll tell you the top 10 most successful business ideas to start. And make sure you stay until the very end because I've saved one of the biggest money makers for last. Top 10 small business and startup ideas. Number 10, aerial photography. The demand for aerial photography has increased at an exponential rate in the last decade. If flying a drone is your thing, a business in aerial photography might be a good idea. Wedding events, music and movie producers, real estate developers, and more could be potential clients. Number 9, pet grooming. Consider starting a pet grooming business if you enjoy having pets around. To remain adaptable, consider offering home services. You visit the homes of pet owners, groom their pets, and get compensated for it. Number 8, daycare. Starting a daycare business can be gratifying and profitable. Furthermore, you don't need to put a significant sum of money down at the start. You could even set one up from the comfort of your own home. It is possible that you might need a permit, so check into that first. Number 7, freelance writing business. Freelancing is one of the simplest online businesses to get started. All you need is a computer and an internet connection to begin. If you have experience in a particular field, say cooking, you can establish a business by writing on that subject. If not, you can always start by hunting for rewriting gigs on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Number 6, cleaning service. If you don't mind getting your hands dirty, consider establishing a cleaning company. The financial gain can be staggering. It is quite simple to start a cleaning business with little money. A little detergent and a sponge are sometimes all you need, along with a little bit of effort. That said, here are some cleaning businesses you can get into. Graffiti cleaning. Do you know how to remove graffiti from walls? A graffiti removal service could be useful. Carpet cleaning. Do you have carpet cleaning equipment or know where to rent or buy some? Consider establishing a company that provides commercial or residential carpet cleaning. Vehicle cleaning. Many people don't have the time to clean their cars, so you could help them. You could even approach businesses and strike up a deal where you clean their fleet of cars. Home cleaning services. Do you live near any busy working people? Why not approach them and ask if they'd want their homes cleaned for a modest fee? You would be shocked at how quickly this business can develop. Number 5, property management. You may be able to find great success as a property manager if you have past experience in the real estate sector or possess strong management skills. The fact is, there are many property owners who don't have the time to deal with their properties all across town. They require someone they can rely on to collect rent, repair broken items, and get rid of undesirable tenants. If this appeals to you, being a property manager could turn out to be quite successful. Number 4, blogging. In today's economy, there is still money to be made by blogging. To be successful with blogging, you must find a niche that is relatively unopposed and then hammer it. Patience and hard work are essential. Stay-at-home moms and college students would be good candidates for this business idea. Number 3, build and sell themes online. If you have good programming abilities and a passion for front-end development, you may use those talents to start your own business by creating and selling website themes online. Number 2, food delivery service. It's relatively simple. You make excellent, delectable dishes at home and then deliver them to your clients at their workplace or their residence. Depending on the regulations of your city, you may need a license to operate this sort of business. Number 1, Amazon Kindle publishing. Did you know you can make money while you sleep with your writing talent? It's all possible due to Amazon Kindle publishing. This is how it works. You write a book, which you upload to Amazon Kindle Publishing. The book will be reviewed by Amazon. When approved, Amazon will publish it and your book is now ready for purchase. Amazon will keep a certain percentage and the remainder goes to you. When done right, Amazon Kindle Publishing can be a good stream of passive income, which is also scalable. Now we're moving on to our second section, which is top 5 business ideas for women. Are you a single parent, a stay-at-home mom, or someone who simply wants to take control of her own destiny by starting a company? Here are 5 unique business ideas that you should consider. Number 5, teach English online. There is a growing interest in English teachers around the globe. If you have a good internet connection and speak English natively, you can create a business online by filling the demand for English teachers. VIP Kid is one platform that can assist you in connecting to possible clients around the world. Number 4, Caregiver. The need for taking care of the sick and elderly at home is on the rise. So if you are a people person or have some nursing skills, you can develop a business out of this. Just remember that some form of certification might be required. Number 3, personal shopper. If you have a passion for shopping, you can help out those that are too busy to shop and in turn create a profitable business. To get started, contact as many people as you can and let them know that you can assist them with their shopping requirements. After that, you may proceed by developing a website to advertise your company. Number 2, blogging. I know we already mentioned blogging previously on this list, but this is such a wonderful job for women that it's worth talking about again. The first step in earning a large income as a blogger is to attract a large number of visitors to your website. This means publishing material on a regular basis. You can make money on the traffic you get by using affiliate marketing, Google Ads, and so on. Number 1, handmade crafts. If you have a talent for knitting, painting, pottery, or any other high-value craft, you could sell your goods in places like Etsy. Many women have created a business empire on Etsy, so you can too. And now we're moving on to our third and final section, the top 10 most successful businesses to start. Number 10, social media management service. In today's world, having a strong internet presence is critical to surviving and staying competitive in the business environment. No surprise why many firms are fighting to get their foot in the door on social media. You can establish a business managing social media accounts for busy people. Number 9, web design agency. Thanks to Wix and WordPress, building a website is not quite so daunting as it used to be. Consider establishing a web design business if you like creating stuff and don't mind investing some time learning how to utilize WordPress. Automation web testing is part of the website development, so you can provide both website design and automated testing services. To get people for your business, start by telling your friends and family what you do. You'd be surprised how word of mouth can bring in lots of clients. Number 8, sell online courses. Have you ever had a talent that you could teach to others without even thinking about it? Why not begin making cash by creating and selling your courses online? Anything is teachable. Cooking, gardening, do-it-yourself hacks, interior decorating, and so on. All you need to get started is your smartphone. Number 7, virtual assistant service. Busy entrepreneurs and small business owners would gladly pay for help in keeping their businesses running smoothly. Providing virtual assistant services to these busy clients could prove to be beneficial for your income. There is plenty to be done, such as answering customer questions, replying to emails, making calls to their clients, managing appointments, and more. The beauty of this is you can do this without being physically there. Number 6, affiliate marketing. This is ideal for anyone looking to make passive income on the side. How does it work? You promote a digital or physical product, drive traffic to that product, and hope to make a sale. You earn a commission each time that product gets sold. Check out platforms like ClickBank or Commission Junction to discover lucrative items to promote. I have several videos on this channel that talk about ClickBank and how to make money with affiliate marketing, so be sure to check those out. Number 5, home tutoring. The greatest part is that this kind of service may be provided almost entirely online or in person. Guitar, math, yoga, and economics are just a few of the many things you could teach. Number 4, coffee shop. Turn your passion for brewing coffee into a lucrative business by establishing a coffee shop. Some options are franchising or acquiring an already established coffee shop and rebranding it. However, you will need a lot of money to pull it off. Number 3, e-commerce. You can easily sell just about any product to anyone, anywhere, thanks to the internet. An e-commerce business that is managed properly can be quite lucrative. Shopify, WooCommerce, and Oberlo are just a few of the e-commerce platforms you can pick from to help make your business a success. Number 2, video editor. Did you know that just after Google, YouTube is the second most popular search engine? This is a clear indication that video viewing is on the rise. As a result, if you are skilled in video editing, there are many people in need of your services. Before I move on to number 1, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell. That way, you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Also, comment down below and let me know which business idea on this list is your favorite. Number 1. Fulfillment by Amazon, also known as FBA. Here's how it works. You locate items you'd want to sell, buy them, and send them to Amazon's warehouses. If your items are accepted by Amazon, they will be uploaded to the internet. Customers can buy your items once they're ready on Amazon. When consumers place an order for your products, Amazon will package and deliver them. Amazon even takes care of payments and returns. Amazon FBA is easier than selling via Shopify or WooCommerce. Additionally, you can increase sales by using FBA tools. If you want to import goods from China, you may hire a sourcing agent to assist you in locating the greatest quality manufacturers. Once you've decided on a business idea, the next thing you'll need is a business plan. Click the video on the screen where I'll tell you exactly how to write a one-page business plan step by step.